Okay, here I am on a demo store. We have this product page here with a featured image, and we're going to set up an A/B test in Compose, just swapping this featured image on this product page. So let's jump over to Compose. We're going to create a new experiment. Just title this featured image. We don't need to do anything on the control for this one, but we'll create a JavaScript variant. And I'll save that draft. I'm going to leave this for now. What you'll want to do is look for this image where it is in your code base. So I'm here in the code editor, and I've already found out where that is. Here's where our featured image is being rendered. So what I want to do is just create almost an exact copy. And we're going to pick out a different image than the current featured one for this product. So we're going to hop over to our store. Here's all our files. I'm going to pick out just a random one here. Let's grab that. And that is going to be a JPEG image. So this should look exactly the same, but we do also want to modify this class to be able to tell them apart in our Compose script. So I can see that that's defined up here, this image class. And we're going to give this original one a, let's say, test variant A. And we'll do another class name. We'll call this B, and we're going to say test variant B. And we'll just replace the class for our other image here with that B class. So these should look pretty identical right now, but we are rendering two images here, and so by default, I'm just going to add a style tag right above this. We're going to say test variant B. We're going to say display none. We'll give that a save. And you can definitely have some conflicting styles in here. So right now you see here's our alternate image showing up, even though I put display none here. And I think that's because there are other styles overriding that. Yeah, so we have other styles that are setting this to display block. So instead of kind of fighting those selectors here, I'm actually going to change this to visibility hidden. Let's see if that works. Just kind of another way of hiding that. Okay, good. So we have our alternate image still there, but it's visibly hidden right now. So we can come back to Compose, and we're going to add our JavaScript in here. And this does have to be a JavaScript expression, so we're going to add this into an IFI. And yeah, the idea here is just to overwrite those styles in this JavaScript variant. So let's start off by creating a style tag. Style. And then we're going to set the text content of this. And we're going to overwrite the test variant A. Let's see, we use visibility hidden. and our test variant B visibility is visible now. Okay, should probably put importance on these. Again, just so we're not fighting any selectors. And all we need to do now is just append this to the head. So document.head.append our style. Okay, that should be it for that. Got to make sure our targeting is set up correctly for this. So I'm just going to copy the current page we're on, and we'll just trigger on that page. Okay, let's see how this works. We're going to put in our preview link. Let's view this preview. Okay, so you can see it flipped the image there. Now that kind of flicker you're seeing is really only in preview mode, and that's because we don't bundle in those draft experiments. They're kind of fetched afterwards. So if we were to actually publish this test live, you wouldn't see that. We can go to original. There's the original image. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much it on how you set this up. I mean, again, the this edit code part is probably going to be the most different. You'll have to figure out what this is for your theme and how to do this, whether you need to use the visibility to hide things, or you can use display none, or some other way. But yeah, that's the basic idea. Hope that helps.